back to my YouTube channel. This is Hazard Graphics. In this particular tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make use of the erase color tool in Pixellab. So without any further ado, let's just go to the tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel if you join me for the first time. So this is erase color. Automatically takes away the white option. If I click on it now, you can see this one is selected. That's white and some different colors there. If I click on it, automatically it takes away the white portion. But I don't want to take the white portion. I want to take away all these colors that are here. Yes, I can take away everything and leave the white. So all I will just need, click on this eyedropper, then move my position to here and click on this check mark. You can see the green has gone. So I'll click on this plus. I can increase the tolerance if I want, but I'll just leave it like this. I'll click on this plus. The plus enables me to select another color, the eyedropper, the red. So I'll click on plus again, click on the eyedropper, move it to yellow. So I can switch between the option, the red one. I can just come here and increase the tolerance for the red. Let me make it 15. So I can shift within the green, the tolerance to about 15. So let's go to the yellow. Okay, so the next one is, I'll click on plus, come to the eyedropper, move it here to this particular option. I'll move the tolerance to about 15. Okay, so I'll click on plus, move the eyedropper to this blue. Okay, quite okay. So I'll click on plus, then click on the eyedropper. Also click on plus, the eyedropper, okay, click on plus, come the eyedropper to this. Okay, now the reason I'm actually increasing the tolerance is because of those shades of those colors that are still in the shape, but you can still see there are still some of them there anyway. But this is it now. With erase color, we've gotten rid of all other color except white. Look at variations of how many of them, about 8 of them in the particular shape. So we can go on and on and on. Alright, so that's all about this erase. So if I just come out and smooth the edge, you can see it looks rough, it looks a bit blowy, so this, I guess, this is one way you can make a shape blow in Pixellab, right? Alright, so that's all for this particular tutorial. We'll see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe.